Imagine a creature, typically known for its gentle hopping, suddenly exploding into the air. A rapid twist, a mid-air kick, a joyful arc, then, a soft landing, often followed by another hop as if nothing out of the ordinary occurred. This seemingly spontaneous act, known as a binky, is one of the most endearing and perplexing behaviors in the rabbit world. For observers, it's a moment of pure, unadulterated delight. But for scientists, it's a window into the complex biological underpinnings of an animal often underestimated in its behavioral sophistication. This isn't just a silly jump, it's a profound statement. So, what exactly constitutes a binky? It's a full-body expression of extreme happiness and excitement. A rabbit will typically leap into the air, twisting its body, kicking its legs out in various directions, sometimes front, sometimes back, sometimes both, before landing. The height, duration, and complexity of the twist can vary significantly. Some binkies are small, quick hops, while others are grand, acrobatic displays reaching impressive heights. These movements are not clumsy or accidental, they are coordinated, powerful, and executed with a precision that belies their seemingly random nature. It's a rapid, energetic outburst. While binkying is undeniably linked to positive emotions, to dismiss it merely as happy jumping would be an oversimplification. Animal behaviors, especially those involving significant energy expenditure, rarely exist without an underlying evolutionary purpose. Our understanding of rabbit behavior biology suggests that binkies serve multiple functions, integrating elements of communication, play, and even survival strategy. We must look beyond the immediate visual spectacle to uncover the deeper biological mechanisms at play. This complex behavior is a testament to the intricate lives of these fascinating lagomorphs, revealing layers of meaning. To understand why rabbits binky, we must consider their ancestral origins. Wild rabbits, prey animals by nature, are constantly attuned to their environment, balancing the need for survival with opportunities for foraging and social interaction. Every movement, every twitch of the nose or ear, can be critical. In this context, an energetic, attention-grabbing leap seems counterintuitive for a prey animal. However, this apparent paradox points to a sophisticated evolutionary adaptation. The binky, therefore, must offer a significant advantage that outweighs the perceived risk of drawing attention, suggesting a powerful, innate drive. One prominent theory is that binkying acts as a costly signal of an individual's health and fitness. Executing such an acrobatic, energy-intensive leap requires excellent physical condition, sharp reflexes, and a robust immune system. A rabbit that can binky freely and frequently is essentially broadcasting its peak physical state, signaling to potential mates or rivals that it is strong, healthy, and has energy to spare. This display might also implicitly signal to predators that the rabbit is too quick and agile to be worth pursuing, similar to gazelle stotting or pronking, a form of pursuit deterrence. The energy expended during a binky is not trivial. For an animal that must conserve every calorie to evade predators and survive, such a display represents a significant investment. This makes the signal even more credible. Only truly fit individuals can afford to waste energy in such a flamboyant manner. Studies in animal behavior have shown that costly signals are often the most honest, as they are difficult to fake. Thus, the very act of binkying, in its joyous exuberance, carries a deeper message about the rabbit's vitality. It's an advertisement of good genes and strong health. Another key evolutionary role of the binky could be pursuit deterrence. When a rabbit detects a predator but knows it hasn't been seen yet, a binky might serve to confuse or even discourage the pursuer. By performing an unpredictable, erratic jump, the rabbit might signal its excellent physical condition and agility, making itself seem a less appealing target. A predator might decide the effort of chase isn't worth it against such a nimble and apparently unaware prey. This momentary display could buy the rabbit crucial seconds, turning the odds slightly in its favor, allowing for escape. Imagine a predator locking onto a target, only for that target to unpredictably twist and turn in midair. This sudden, disorienting movement could break the predator's focus, making it harder to predict the rabbit's escape trajectory. It's a split-second decision for a predator: commit to a difficult chase or seek easier prey. The binky, in this context, becomes a clever bluff, asserting the rabbit's resilience and making it seem like a formidable challenge. This behavioral tactic is a fascinating example of how subtle actions can have significant survival implications in the wild. It's a dynamic defense. Beyond individual survival, binkying can also serve as a form of communication within rabbit groups. In colonies, a rabbit binkying might signal general contentment or perceived safety. If one rabbit binkies, others might feel more at ease and engage in similar behaviors, reinforcing a sense of security within the warren. It could also convey excitement, such as finding a particularly tasty patch of grass. This shared expression of positive emotion helps to strengthen social bonds and maintain a harmonious group dynamic. It's a nonverbal affirmation of well-being among peers. Play is a crucial aspect of development and well-being for many intelligent animals, and rabbits are no exception. Binkying is often observed during periods of playful activity, either alone or with other rabbits. It allows rabbits to practice agility, coordination, and strength in a safe, low-stress environment. This playful expression isn't just for fun, it hones critical survival skills without the immediate threat of a predator. Engaging in such vigorous play also contributes to mental stimulation and reduces stress, fostering overall good health and resilience in these sensitive creatures. From a neurological perspective, binkying is undoubtedly linked to the release of endorphins and other feel-good neurochemicals. When a rabbit feels safe, content, and stimulated, its brain likely floods with hormones associated with pleasure and reward. This internal feedback loop reinforces the behavior, making binkying a self-perpetuating expression of positive emotional states. It's a physical manifestation of an internal biochemical response, a vibrant display of the rabbit's emotional landscape. Understanding this connection helps us appreciate the depth of their emotional experiences, confirming their capacity for joy. Domestic rabbits tend to binky far more frequently and expressively than their wild counterparts. This difference is largely attributable to their environment. Pet rabbits live in safe, predator-free homes, with consistent access to food, water, and social interaction. This lack of constant threat means they have more energy and fewer inhibitions about displaying their joy. A domestic rabbit's binky is a clear sign of a comfortable, enriched life where their basic needs are met and they feel secure enough to express pure exuberance. Their world allows for such carefree expression. In contrast, wild rabbits binky far less often, and typically in less exaggerated ways. For a wild rabbit, any conspicuous movement can be a risk, potentially attracting predators. When a wild rabbit does binky, it's usually a very quick, subtle leap, often after escaping a perceived threat or when reaching a safe haven. It might signal a momentary release of tension or an immediate confirmation of safety to other nearby rabbits. Their binkies are brief, functional, and far less theatrical than those of their pampered relatives, reflecting the constant vigilance required for survival. The stark contrast in binkying frequency and style between domestic and wild rabbits offers powerful insights into the interplay of biology and environment. Domestic rabbits, free from the constant evolutionary pressure of predation, can fully indulge in this expression of joy and well-being. Wild rabbits, however, must carefully weigh the cost and benefit of every action. Their binkies, while still indicative of positive states, are tempered by the ever-present need for caution. This comparison highlights how human intervention and a safe environment can profoundly alter a species' natural behavioral expression. For pet owners, understanding the science behind the binky provides valuable guidance for enriching their rabbit's life. A rabbit that binkies frequently is a happy, healthy rabbit. Providing ample space, safe toys for chewing and digging, a balanced diet, and positive social interaction can all encourage binkying behavior. An enriched environment directly contributes to their physical and psychological well-being, fostering the conditions under which these joyful leaps can flourish. It's a clear signal that the rabbit is thriving, a testament to effective care and a stimulating habitat. Binkying is just one part of a rich and nuanced communication system rabbits employ. Alongside thumping, ear positions, nose twitches, and body postures, the Binky contributes to a complex behavioral repertoire that helps them navigate their world. By observing these behaviors, we gain a deeper appreciation for their intelligence and emotional depth. What might seem like a simple animal is, in fact, a creature capable of intricate social interaction, sophisticated survival tactics, and profound expressions of emotion. The Binky, then, is a key component in this silent, yet eloquent, language. Veterinary behaviorists and ethologists frequently cite the Binky as a primary indicator of a rabbit's emotional state. Dr. Ann McBride, a leading expert in rabbit behavior, notes, "A Binky is the ultimate sign of a truly happy and confident rabbit. It tells us that all their needs are met, and they feel completely secure in their environment." This expert consensus underscores the importance of interpreting such behaviors not as mere curiosities but as vital data points in understanding animal welfare. It's a clear message from the rabbit itself, demanding our attention and respect for its well-being. So, the next time you witness a rabbit perform its signature acrobatic leap, remember that it's far more than just a silly jump. It's a complex tapestry woven from biology, evolution, and emotion. From signaling robust health to deterring predators, from fostering social bonds to expressing pure, unadulterated joy, the Binky embodies the intricate and often surprising intelligence of these remarkable creatures. It's a testament to their resilience, their capacity for happiness, and their ability to communicate volumes through a single, elegant motion. The Binky reminds us to never underestimate the depths of the animal kingdom's wisdom,